Here we go. What up, people? Some basic, and I'm over here with a pair of Nike Varsity Compete Tier 2s, I think. They're pretty banged up. They got some stains and a little dirt. Yeah, I mean, there's a couple stains, a little bit of dirt, a little crud. And yeah, we're going to try to get these stains out and some of this dirt off. And hopefully don't make the shoe worse than what it is, basically. I got a Reshoevn8r signature shoe cleaning kit over here. This is my second time using it, and hopefully yeah, we can get some of this crud off, and yeah, hopefully try to get this stain, you know what I mean, and this little dirt off of these Jones. They're pretty old, and if I ruin the sneakers, I'll just throw them out or use them for work or something. Let's get right into it. Basically, you just, you know, take off the shoestrings. I'm going to clean both shoes, so I got to take out both set of shoestrings. Alright, so I just basically want to show you there's a little bit of dirt down here before we get started. There's a little crud over there. Got some wrinkles on. There's a little dirt over here. Dirt on the bottom. Not too bad, but it is what it is. There's a stain right here. Yeah, when I first got them, I took them to the bar. Someone spilled a little bit of Red Bull and vodka on my joints. But I don't know. We'll see if this kit can bring this stain out. And yeah, let's get it, man. So basically, you get this little rubberized bowl. You get some aqua. Put some aqua in the bowl. It's pretty basic. And then you get the Reshoevn8r cleaning solution. 2 squirts. 1, 2. And then get a little sip of this Red Bull. And then I am going to start with the soft bristle brush. But first I gotta put these shoe trees in, stiffen it up. There we go. Boom. There we go. And yeah, let's get nuts. Alright, so some people might say, you know, when you're using these brushes, you want to use, if it's this kind of fabric or something, you want to spiral with it or something. I don't know. I just get nuts with it, alright? And some people might say, like, I'm supposed to, like, once I'm done, like, a little small area, I'm supposed to, like, wipe it. I'm not doing that. You know what I mean? I'm just getting nuts. Just getting the soap inside the material. And let it soak in for a little bit. And then I think I'm going to work the bottoms with not a stiffy, maybe a medium. I don't think this, well, let's see. See what the stiff, or the medium does. Might have to use, I'm going to use the stiff on the bottom, but the medium on the side. Alright, so I'm going to work this bottom now with the stiffening. Good old stiffy. Splash them. It actually does work, yo. This stuff actually works. It's crazy. A little bit of a difference. I mean, I could basically keep doing it and probably get better, but I'm going to keep it moving. Alright, I'm going to go back to the soft, do a second coat. Not too shabby for just hitting it with the brush and soap, but I am going to throw it in the washer Oh. Not too shabby. Got the stain out. That's perfect. Got the little dirt thing that was over here. Still got a little yellow to it, but that's just, you know, sitting in the closet collecting dust. So, but all the dirt is off of that. So, you know what I mean? I mean, that's basically it's the same color as like when I bought it. So, you know what I mean? Maybe it's a little bit more tanner. Like, I remember this being a little tan down here, so there's like a piece of plastic behind this. So, but they came out pretty good, man. I just gotta throw them in the washer. Yeah, man. I really don't have to, but I am. See if the washer makes it look a little bit better. So that's that. Basically, grab your shoestring. You know what I mean? Dip it in the water, the solution, and you just basically drain it out. You know what I mean? That's basically it. Nope. Throw this piglet in the bag. Boom. Tighten that up. Tighten this up. Get yourself a little laundry pod. You know what I mean? Put it in the little pouch. It smells so good. And then you put your shoestrings in there. You could put them in your shoe. You know what I mean? That's what I usually do back in the, well, that's what I did back in the day. I just threw my shoestrings in the shoe itself when I washed them. And that's basically it, man. Make sure your washer's on normal wash and cold, basically. And that's basically it, bro. And I gotta clean this other one. Peace. Alright, man, we're back. We're back at it, and they look 100 times better. This kit, it works, man. Highly recommend it, man. They didn't pay me to say this or make this video. I highly recommend the Reshoevn8r signature shoe cleaning kit, man. Because this is, it's nuts, man. It's nuts. It really does work. You know what I mean? It's a little, still looks a little dirty, but you know what I mean? That's wear and tear, basically. But it, dude, this was like dark. It looks like it's brand new. I don't know how the lighting is on the camera, but yeah, man, it's mind-boggling. All the dirt, even the stains that were in here, like the juice stains that got dropped on them, came out. That is nuts, man. That is nuts. Even on these, you know what I mean? This shoe is the one I put in the bag, and then this shoe is the one I just threw in the regular, just threw in the washer. And it's them laundry pods make your shoes smell delicious, man. You know what I mean? It smells, I don't know what the fragrance is, but it smells like, I don't know, like potpourri or something. I don't know, but that is crazy. You know what I mean? That is pretty nuts. I don't know what you guys can see, but here's a shoe. My lighting's terrible. You know what I mean, I still got those, but you know what I mean, the little creases or whatever you want to call it. But that is so bizarre how this shoe came out. Looks brand new. You know what I mean? And these shoes are pretty old. I think I got them at like 3 years ago. You know what I'm saying? That is nuts. There was dirt all over here in these little holes in the fabric. There was a stain right here that came out. There's no stain there. There was like, I don't know, dude. There was like blue from like jeans. Me wearing jeans that had blue, blue like stain here. Came off. That's crazy. The insides are nice. Smells beautiful in there. I don't know what you guys can see, but that is nuts, man. How this cleaning kit works, man. I can't believe it. Like cleaned it pretty good. I mean, they weren't that filthy, you know what I'm saying? But I'm so bizarre that it knocked out them stains. You know what I mean? And even cleaned the bottom pretty good. You know what I mean, there's little something right there, you know what I mean? But that's crazy. Like, these were dark. The front of this was dark. Looks brand new, man. That is so nuts. You know what I mean? So nuts. I don't know how this looks on the camera. Probably looks terrible, but just take my word for it, man. This kit works, bro. This kit really does work. Here's the other shoe. There was a stain over here or somewhere over here on this one that came out. It's nuts, bro. It is crazy. And these shoes ain't nothing special. I think when I paid for, I think I had a coupon that came down to like $70 or $60. They're nothing special. You know what I mean? That is crazy. Like, that is nuts. How clean they came out. You know what I'm saying? Even like right here is sharp. Looks brand new. That is nuts. Highly recommend this kit. Once I run low on this product, I'm gonna recop it. Guaranteed I'm buying more of this stuff because it does really work. I mean, I used to wash my shoes back in the day. You know what I mean? I wasn't bowling, so I had to try to wash my shoes. And I used to have to get a toothbrush out. And it was nuts. And they would never come out like this, bro. That is crazy. Look brand spanking new. Didn't mess up any of the material. You know what I mean? That is crazy, bro. Insides are perfect. It is nuts. And that is my review on the Reshoevn8r kit. You know what I mean? I'm gonna spray it with this. I'll probably put like 2-3 coats of this this water and stain repellent. I'm gonna use this joint. I mean, I dropped it. You know what I mean? There's a little dent in that joint, but I'm gonna spray it up 3-4 times. Let it dry. We'll spray it. Let it dry. Spray it again. Let it dry, and then spray it again. And then I don't know. Maybe down the road I'll tell you if this stuff really works. I don't know. They spray. Like on the website or even like the YouTube channel, they spray it. They put like pizza sauce and stuff like that, all types of stuff, and it like slides right off. We will see. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, that is nuts. You know what I mean? That is nuts. I actually looked at the picture that I posted these on Instagram like 3 years ago, and they look the same, bro. The same. I mean, just a little wear and tear on the bottom, but that is crazy, bro. That is crazy. You know what I mean? That is so bizarre. Like there was a scuff here. I don't know, man. It ain't there no more. There ain't no more scuffs on these Jones, I'll tell you that. Even the shoestrings came out perfect. It's crazy. Probably gonna still use them for work. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. But that is nuts, bro. These shoes are pretty comfortable. You know what I mean? Tell. These Jones are pretty comfortable for what I paid for them. You know what I mean? That is nuts, bro. So bizarre. You know what I mean? That's basically it, man. Like I said, Reshoevn8r did not pay me to make this video. I am telling you, and I'm not lying to you, bro. This kit does work, yo. You know what I mean? Even wearing, like, I had dark socks and stuff, it, like, messed up the inside of here. Came right out, bro. It's crazy. You know what I mean? That is crazy. You know what I'm saying? And it smells beautiful. You know what I mean? Comfort your foot pad or bed. Comfort foot bed. That's what it says inside. Yeah, man. Jones is shop. Back to life, basically. Highly recommend the kit. I'm gonna try to clean these filthy pigs. Yeah, I mean, this is gonna be the real test. I'm definitely gonna throw these out though. These are like my grass cutting shoes. Yeah, I mean, these flexed boys. Yeah, they flexed all right. They even got like rust stains on them. You know what I mean? It's got grass growing inside of it. You know what I mean? They're filthy. But I'm gonna use this kit and see if they come out, you know, somewhat okay. You know what I mean? I'm gonna throw them out. Like there's a ripper here and stuff like that. But I'm just gonna see if the grass or if the kit knocks off some of this grass stains. We will see, man. That's gonna be the next video. You know what I mean? These Jones are filthy. Filthy pigs. Worn to death. I should hang these Jones on a telephone wire. But I'm gonna use this kit and see what they look like after, man. I'm probably gonna just clean one. You know what I mean? The last 2 videos or whatever, I cleaned both sneakers. But this one, I'm just probably gonna clean like the most filthiest one, and then I'll do it like how they do it and stuff. They just clean one shoe, and then I'll show you exactly what the shoe looks like. You know what I mean? I'm probably not gonna clean this one because this. I clean this one. I don't know. We'll see. We'll get to that video later down the road. But yeah, man. Highly recommend the Reshoevn8r kit, bro. Even if you have nice shoes, but you got like, you know, gangrene or something, like you're no, I don't know how to explain. Like say if your feet are funky or something, or you know what I mean. Like I don't have funky feet. My feet don't look like a cinder block landed on them or something. Like I don't have banged up feet. But if you got foot odor, you know what I mean, just throw one of those little laundry pods in there, throw them in the washer, dude. They smell. I don't know. I don't know what that fragrance is, but it smells better than feet, basically. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Highly recommend them, bro. Highly recommend that kit. You know what I mean? The Reshoevn8r kit. Links will be down in the description down below to check out their website. Sometimes they have deals, and they definitely have free shipping now, so that's awesome too. Holla at your boy, scream at your daddy, and yeah, keep it tight. Peace.